Right, so I've done a few videos on this now. This is a Mokka 1.5 2015 1.7 CDTI. Right, thermostat. Damn, that was an absolute job off. I mean, this video will definitely help you guys do this yourselves. I've had to find out the bloody hard way, of course. So, right. So, where do I start? If you look at my previous video that talks about getting to the thermostat housing. So, there's your thermostat housing, right there. Okay, just down from the side of the engine. Here. And it's quite, it looks more open there, but all this bloody thing's in the way. So it's only because my camera's got this ability to bend and go underneath it. Look, you can see it's in the way. Right, now your thermostat sits there. Thermostat housing, okay. And here, you can see I've took it out. Now the temperature sender, because mine wasn't the thermostat, it turned out it was a temperature sender. See this bolt above it with the washer on it? Right, so let's get down to the nitty gritty. Okay, right, so I've just dumped all the water out. Couldn't catch it, you know. You'll lose probably a couple of litres of water, really, the expansion tank, what's in the top of the engine there. So you'll take out your battery. There, two 10mm bolts, take the battery off the pins, right, like in the other video, basically. You take the tray out, you take the ECU out. Okay. And then you're left with this space, okay, with the thermostat housing on, obviously. Two 12mm bolts hold the thermostat housing on. I hope I haven't lost the bloody things and all this. There and there. Them two 12mm bolts hold the thermostat housing on. The gasket that you get with it is absolutely crap, the paper ones. Use this stuff, Insta-Seal. As you can see, I've had my thermostat off before. So I've already used some of this, and it did work. This was the only thing that sort of worked on it rather than the paper thing. So anyway, take off the thermostat housing, two bolts. Yeah, them holes, them two holes there, boom, boom. Thermostat housing, all this is going to need cleaning off. The excess gasket. I'll do that in a bit. Anyway, you're then going to want to proceed to open that bolt there. I believe that was the 12 as well. I think it's a 12, that one. You can see it's a bolt. It's this one right here. Yeah. Take that off. The reason why this is important is it gives you a little bit of flex. You can see that little dent. That's where you're trying to get the spanner on the thing there. But that just gives a little bit more give in that pole, in that water pipe there, yeah. So undo that bolt. And then, this was the tricky bit, okay? There's a bracket, this bracket here. And that goes in, I believe it's this way around. I'll find out when I do it in a bit, but that goes, that bolt that you've seen with the washer on, it goes on there. Yeah. And then affixes to the underneath of this breather pipe. Let me see if I can try and get a video. I can't obviously see on the camera. It attaches there, look. So as you can see, the hole there on the plastic black bit there. Yep, in the middle of the screen. That and that one with the washer right there that's focused. That's where this L bracket goes. Now you're going to need to remove that because you cannot get your 9mm spanner on this bloody thing, because that is like this underneath, and look at the thickness of it. Okay, this is what stops you from getting a spanner on it. So you're going to need to remove that. I believe it was two 10mm. Yep, two 10mm nuts that are holding this particular thing on. One's a nut and one's a bolt. The bolt goes in the intake bit, and the nut goes on the washer, obviously underneath there. But yeah, hopefully, well, not hopefully, I know that's going to help you guys massively. So if I'd known that, it would have saved a lot of time me trying to figure out why I can't get the spanner on and all that nonsense. So, and look, it's still got loads of water in it. It's only the expansion tank that's emptied out, but so now I can just go ahead. You got to put it in with your fingers. So when I get this new thermostat, look here, new temperature sender rather. So when I get this, ta-da, just check it, make sure we've got a match. Okay, oh yes, that looks like a match to me. Part number for this one. Although I just sort of knew what it looked like, because I'd already been on the Ains manual and seen it. Different colour plug, but it does fit. I've already checked the plug on this, it does fit. So this has got to go in by hand. And just find the hole with my finger. Now you shouldn't need to put any kind of sealant on this, because you've got a copper washer on it. There you go, look, see it going in, and there it is coming out this other side. There, that just wants nipping up now with the 19mm. And I've just lost the washer, it's just dropped down there somewhere. Oh, there it is on my belly pan.